Well, Glasgow Olympics starting in July, and typical Glasgow party. We're going to blow up 5 high-rise flats. You know, welcome to Glasgow. They're going to blow up some houses. You know, so it just shows the what would you say? I mean, they've been doing it for decades, blowing up houses, ever since the Second World War. What actually happened was the Nazis bombed a lot of the tenements. A lot of the tenements had to be knocked down as well. They started building high-rise flats, about 20-storey flats. Basically, some of them you can't even have a pet in them, you can't even have a dog in them, you know. My grandmother used to live in one of them in Annie's Land, and used to live near the top of one of them, you know. Unbelievable. Right, welcome to Glasgow. You know, let's start the Commonwealth Games. They're going to blow up 5 high-rise flats. You know, madness. And in other news, England and Wales have been getting flurries of, I believe it's like dust storms from the actual Sahara Desert. This happening just after, of course, they announced that they're going to start having gay marriage. You know, I just wondered what the Lord would send to show His disapproval of this law. They call it a law, but it's actually lawless. If you actually think about it, men going out with men, women going out with women. What's going to be next? Animals and people are thinking about getting married as well. They're going to bring out laws for that as well. It's not a law. It's not law. It's just making anything that you want to do right. You see, that's basically what it is. It's not. Don't think it's laws they're bringing out. What they're actually doing is that laws are meant to protect innocent people. That's what laws are for. Laws are there to protect the innocent. Okay, but the so-called laws that they're bringing out today, are just abominations. Go and marry your pet budgie or stuff like that. It's madness. Okay. Blow up some houses for the Commonwealth Games. Aye, welcome to Glasgow. Well, thanks for listening.